Hey everybody, how you doing? This is your friend, your buddy, your pal, Paul Rogers. And I'm right at the end of my workout for today, one of them, which is T25, Focus T25. The workout itself is Speed 2.0, my favorite one out of all of the T25 program series. All right, I am going to start the countdown and get back in it. Also, this is my first YouTube video in a long time. So this video, that's gonna signify my return to YouTube. All right, let's go. You know what? I'm gonna keep on going through the cool down. Okay. Who is this program for? It's for anybody. It's for beginners, intermediates, and people who are fitness professionals. There is a modifier. Okay. My personal experience with this program here is that I'm going to turn the volume down so I don't get in trouble with Beachbody, because we're only allowed 3 minutes of each workout. So if they can't hear it, I won't get in trouble. All right, so who is this workout for? Beginners, intermediate, and people who are fit. You decide what level you want to go. Sometimes you might want to go hard and just get as much out of it as you can. Sometimes you might be new, or you might be over 50 like I am, and your joints are hurt, so you might want to lighten it up a little bit. Today I felt pretty good, pretty good. So, now a little bit about me and T25. I lost the most of the 100 pounds that I lost doing this program over and over again. Yeah, so me and this program goes way back. It was a time that I couldn't make it through this workout without stopping. Now today, I think I had like the most aggressive T25 workout that I had today. So, yeah, this one is a good one. It's only 25 minutes. If you're a beginner, you just follow the modifier, which is Tanya Braun on Beachbody on Demand. Now I'm going to get out of here because, like I said, this is my step back into the YouTube, world of YouTube. The content stays on forever, and this is how I found my coach on YouTube. So if you're thinking about, if you don't have a lot of time, if you are a beginner, intermediate, or if you're somebody that's been fit for a while, you want to do something that's a little challenging, this could be something that you look at. It's available on BOD. It's on the general BOD library. You don't have to pay for anything extra. You can get BOD. And from here on out, guys, I'm going to be including my link. Why? Because if you didn't know, I'm a chef in real life. There's so many chefs that I know in real life that are overweight, and they tell me, Paul, I can't do what you do. And I'm not talking about people who are my age and older. I'm talking about people who are in their 20s, and their 30s, and their 40s. And I'm like, guys, I'm in my 50s. I'm doing this. And yes, I do have to make adjustments for my age and my ability levels. But that's what the modifications are there for. Don't be afraid of this, guys. My goal is one of my goals is to be able to show chefs and anybody that's in hospitality or anybody that is sitting back on a couch watching YouTube videos that they can do this. And yeah, there is a way out of the rat race of kitchen life, and those are the steps that I'm taking, and I'm going to take as many people with me as possible. I want to help people to live a happy and healthier life, and that includes finances. So yeah, I'm a Beachbody coach. I'm unashamedly a Beachbody coach. You will not see me do the mysterious marketing and what you doing. I'm going to come right out and tell you. All right, I'm talking too much. Hit me up if you want to join my challenge group. Hit me up if you want to know more about the programs that I do. I wanted to come back to YouTube with this one because this is one of my favorite workouts in all of Beachbody. This is one that I don't feel like working out. This is one that I go, well, you can do T25, speed 2.0, and then you get it done in 25 minutes. That's beautiful. Okay, you guys have a fun and wonderful day. Peace out.